good, YouTube? It's your boy, Sorry Ourselves, or J Will. And today, I'm bringing y'all one of the videos that y'all seemed to like previously. And it's an unboxing video. I got a little something special. For y'all. I got something special. So, to be honest, it's not no real intro to this video. I'm just going to let this all gonna be the video. And yeah, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you sub up to the channel, show some love, help your boy grow in this YouTube community, and just help us grow as a family. You know how we coming. So I'm gonna grab the product, bring it up here, and get to unboxing it. I'm gonna have this cam right here, and then over there, y'all might see the video like either flip from hand cam to face cam. I don't know. Or I might just overlay the face cam over top of my hand cam over top of my face cam. So yeah, let's get into this video. Let's get it. So as y'all can see, your boy got the Oculus Quest 2. This thing just came out. I don't know how long ago, but it just came out. So it's one of the newer ones of the Oculus franchise, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I see that. Alright, let's get to unraveling the paper. Let's go. Yes, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, so as y'all can see, it's the push. Put this over here. Put that over there. And open this. Oh, top up. As y'all can see, details about how it works. 3 sticks. That's it. Adjustable straps for my head. Alright, let's get it. First, we're gonna take out the joysticks. These are nice. Look at the joysticks. Nice little joysticks. You got your AB. I don't know if I can see that. AB. And then your XY. You got your little joystick cons right there. I like the way that these feel. They feel. Definitely on the lighter end. So I can, know what I'm saying? Let me not break these though. I just got them. But I pull these out for when I'm ready to play. I'm gonna put these back. Let's get into this. Alright, so it's a little box thing. Let's just scoop this over so we can like fully view everything. Alright, actually, let me start back in, man. Get these out again. Alright, so this is the left Joy-Con, left joystick. It's kind of bright because of all these ring lights, but hey. Yeah, this is the left one. This is the right one. Same thing, but instead of X and Y, they got A and B on it. Same thing with this. You gotta pull this out, I guess, when I'm ready to play. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this. This is the right one. Okay, so this is a little box. I do not know what's in this little box. We're gonna find out together. Obviously, I had it upside down, so. What is this? manuals, instruction manuals, reference guides, which should be inside the box, you know. So that's that. If I can put it back in there. So that's that. And then we got, I guess, your charging port for it. Yeah, definitely a charging port. So you got your charging box and then your charging port for it. Let's see if there's anything underneath. Nothing underneath. Nothing inside the box. That's that. Let's put this back. Charging port, all that back in there. Perfect. Yeah, I'll just throw the manual and stuff back in there too. And now, time for the Oculus itself. Alright, so definitely light. And this is the glasses spacer. Okay, it makes sure. Okay, just to make sure. So this is for, see, if somebody has wear glasses while playing the Oculus, plug these on. Wait, no, not on your shoulder. Put these on in here, pop. And then you got some extra space for when you want to play with your glasses. If you need to play with glasses. Let me put this back in here because I'm not going to be playing with no glasses. Then you got, moving your lens to the correct setting so that you can see it clearly. So that's really a preference. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'll do it when I'm actually about to play. And let me know if y'all want gameplay or games played on this, bruh, because I definitely will get y'all that content. Best believe I'll get y'all that content. But yeah, though, I like the all-white design. I definitely like the all-white design on this. I gotta take this off. I'm gonna take this off real quick. Take this off really quick. And then you got this sleek, simple design. Sleek and simple. You get straight to the point. And right here is your power button. I don't know if it's gonna cut on. I don't know if it's dead or not. Let's just try it. Of course, it's dead as hell. Wait. Nah, that's the volume button. But, oh wait, 2 seconds. 1, 2. Wait a second. Oh no, it is on. It's working. It's on. So, actually, I'll do it. I'll boot it up and adjust all my stuff. If it gets off me. So, y'all gonna see me put this on for a little bit. I need my sticks. I need my joysticks. Y'all don't see this, and I won't be adding this into the video, me like setting everything up on my Oculus, because I doubt y'all want to see that. But yeah, though, that's about it for this video right here. I just wanted to show y'all the little overview of the Oculus, the Quest 2. Like I said, I won't be showing y'all me setting it up, because who really wants to see me set it up? Like, it's not like my portable gaming system, portable monitor that I got, where I would be able to set it up and then show my game on it. I doubt y'all want to see what. But anyways, like I was saying before, I got a phone call in the middle of my video. I'm not gonna show y'all the setup process. I'll definitely bring y'all gameplay if y'all want gameplay through the Oculus. And yeah, though, that's about it. This is the overview of the Oculus Quest 2. Thank you for coming out, showing love and support on my videos. And let me know what games y'all want me to bring on it. If y'all do want me to bring gameplay, do the Oculus. And thank you so much again, like I said, for all the love and support that y'all show on my videos, and continue to show love and support on my videos. And it's been your boy, Sorry Yourselves, or J Will. And I'm out. Peace.